Hello. Today I'm gonna be doing the video of a test of my cover and muffler for my microphone. You can probably see right here on the video. Tiny muffler right here, and I'm going to be putting that outside, and you're going to see if there is any difference with the quality of the microphone. So let's see. Alright, so hopefully there was not a lot of noise from the wind. I'm going 40 miles per hour. Slow down because 40 miles per hour it's a lot. Usually if it's probably around like maybe 5 miles per hour, normally I was getting a bunch of noise on the microphone. So I'm gonna slow down in a second and then we're gonna hear if there's any change. Okay, it's about 30 miles per hour right now. 30 miles per hour right now. Now it's about 20 miles per hour right now, 20 miles per hour. And at 15 miles per hour and stopped. Hopefully it's gonna be good tests. So my test in a car was pretty successful. I think I got pretty good results. Now I have an AC vent over here which blows probably maybe 10 miles per hour wind, which is the most probably common. You're not gonna be filming during the hurricane. So I'm gonna put the camera with these filters right under this. There you go. It's blowing right here, and I'm holding it kind of in front of it, trying to see if there's gonna be any difference in the noise. It blows straight right over here. So there was one microphone on top, one in front, and I have those mufflers. I'm gonna move it a little bit back, and now I'm going straight in front of it, and I'm going back. So this is probably more realistic experience with the wind that you're going to get if you, for example, record on the beach. So hopefully there's not a lot of wind noise, and from my test in the car, I'm really happy with the quality of the wind that was getting blocked by those mufflers. It really does make a difference. So I bought this from AliExpress. It was I think $5 or $6. This seller was Blue Mantis, and as you can see I got 10 small stickers like this. They're kind of small, but they are big enough to cover the small hole from the microphone, and just to give you the approximate size, because that's important. They're kind of tiny. Let me just try to grab one. So they are about 1/4 inch in diameter, 1/4 inch in diameter, and you get this a little fur with a little circle right here, and this is where the sound comes through, and you have this furry thing that basically deflects all the noise. So those mufflers reduce the wind noise considerably on your camera, so you can have a much better sound. Alright, so if you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And then give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.